Hi, and thanks for returning to Coin Lady channel. We will be covering a number of topics in this video. We will cover a lot of ground in this video course, including updates on RPXLIM, what's going on in the digital asset space, how to protect your digital assets, as I've been receiving a lot of questions about, and a telegraph. We'll save the best for last, I promise, so you guys know what to do. All I ever ask is whether you enjoy discussing GREAT and XRP. Give us a big thumbs up, drop those XS in the comment section, and press the like button. These actions greatly aid with channel sharing and support. Distribute the channel widely. Inform people everywhere about the real nature of this digital revolution. I would like to get started now. It's nice to know how much XRP Grayscale is currently holding, according to Chad Steingraber. To what extent are they invested? XRP as well. Since they are currently the world's top manager of digital assets, the fact that they have only lately added XRP back to the balance sheet indicates that they have recently acquired a significant asset. It demonstrates their faith and encourages us to have trust in the things we believe in, as this cycle's bull run is only getting begun. A small preview of sorts. I'm going to reserve the most exciting part for last, even though I detest giving out spoilers. Thus, each share is equivalent to about 1 XRP. We know that they have roughly 10 million shares. Some would say 10 million, and that they are valued in XRP, and that they have 15 million, or perhaps 16 million shares. Furthermore, some might argue that's not very much. They've only recently resumed trading XRP. Thus, we will observe that as time goes on, they add more to their balance sheet and accumulate more. And as you are all aware, nothing in life is certain, so this is just the tip of the iceberg, guys. The XRP ETF and the future are what's coming next, and I can almost 100% guarantee that. However, about whom else are they speaking? We all know that a plethora of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, will eventually be developed in the digital asset industry. However, as they are speaking Ethereum, we can clearly hear the chanting of XRP. And as the CEO of Chainlink Creek just stated, hold baskets full of digital assets on ETFs, because look, they're gonna make a lot of money. I do think that in the future we're going to see baskets like that. These large money managers stand to gain enormous profits from these fees, as seen by their daily acquisition of Bitcoin worth hundreds of millions of dollars, and their sale of ETFs to ordinary investors. Hey, if you want to buy, I get IT from a security standpoint, but if I buy Bitcoin, I'm going to buy Bitcoin, not an ETF. After Daniel Dixon, let's move on. Guys, this is huge. You are aware of my admiration for their role as advisors to the CFTC, a significant institution that reports to the SEC Commodities Future Trading Commission. And she states plainly that, thanks to Caroline Butler's efforts at Carnegie Mellon, the CFTC Global Markets Advisory Committee decided today to advance tax on money documents for digital assets. Everyone has heard of the enormous financial organization that was founded in 1784, making it the oldest bank in America, as well as the first, I didn't even know this, to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Stunningly gorgeous and sandy keel over at Franklin Templeton, which we all know is a $1.6 trillion fund manager globally, may seem like a significant accomplishment. However, having a common framework and language for assessing the industry is a step in the right direction. Congratulations to Caroline Pham and team. I'd also like to let you know that our very own Jason Chow, Lee Paula, as I hope I didn't butcher, sits on the GMAC and contributes his thoughts and insights to these conversations. Using our voice to inform, educate, and support lawmakers is essential to our mission. Since many of you have been watching the channel, I want to be clear that one of the main reasons I'm deeply invested in Stellar is this. Tell me in the space provided for comments below. How much time have you spent on this channel? Since I am positive that I have been discussing about LM and the advantages of holding great for more than 3 years on YouTube. And one of the main reasons you want to be involved is because they are collaborating with the CFTC. Collaborating with the regulatory authorities. When I consider fantastic, I consider what they have going on with MoneyGram, which is effectively a global financial organization with thousands upon thousands of offices. However, I also regard them as a component of the regulators. This guy is a sleeping behemoth. And it was 7 cents when I got it. I mentioned that I gave it 10 cents. I promised that if you have been watching the channel for some time, you are profitable. Moving forward, I enjoy what Dr. Bones releases, so please give him a follow on X. According to the article, RF unveiled the first RW working capital solution for international transactions, based on real-world assets. RF Liquidity uses blockchain technology to bridge a $4 trillion liquidity gap, and speeds up international payments, with none other than fantastic backing. This is what I mean when we look at the kinds of people they are collaborating with and the quantity of liquidity they plan to add to this blockchain. Gentlemen, currently, Stellar has a meager market capitalization of a few $1 billion, but they plan to add trillions to the blockchain. Mr. John is coming up with derivatives, large lending and borrowing with over-collateralization protocol revenue sharing, according to some amazing feature. Additionally, we have amazing new incentive schemes that are even better for stars. Additionally, the Arizona State Senate stated today that Watcher Guru thinks about including Bitcoin ETFs in retirement plans. The future is here. Right now, life is moving in this direction, a digital revolution. Regarding the digital revolution, Trump and X is this not bullish, moving forward? Observe Your Guru also reports that Donald Trump has visited with Elon Musk in order to solicit money for his campaign. According to the New York Times, we are aware that Elon Musk is quite pro-crypto, as seen by his dodgy Joes. I anticipate that XRP and Epsilon will be included into X, possibly even this year, as he has stated that he intends to transform X into a comprehensive software with a particular emphasis on financial payments. And how close is he to Jed McCaleb, the CTO of Stellar, given that they are partners with a large corporation and are currently speaking with Donald Trump? We know what he's done with his ET and NFTs, and he also has cryptocurrency in his wallet. So, as we look at the market today, guys, we can see that XRP is up about 3%. As you all know, I also love ICP. If you use the internet, please let me know in the comment section. Either way, we're ripping again today, because ICP is one of the best technologies, without a doubt. It's going to be a major player, rising about 8.4% today, and Stellar is up about 4%. I noticed a 2% increase in STC. Nice modest portion, not big benefits. If you were a buyer of yesterday's drop, you saw that Ripple close Stuart Authority correctly called out the SEC for a deceptive court statement. Concerns over crypto regulation, transparency, and legal clarity are raised by the usage of SEC in the default judgment, which has been questioned by critics. I won't read this entire document out to you all, guys. However, what I will tell you is that the SEC is strengthening their case against Binance by employing dubious methods. USCZ and the others are going all out, and when he comes out, some critics are shouting foul play, claiming that it's not cool to use default judgment without being honest about it. They fear it may affect the court's comprehension of legal matters. The situation has led to demands for increased openness. It is what we require. And court cases, gentlemen, particularly when they have global implications. The market for cryptocurrencies as a whole is international. Furthermore, there are many who find it impossible to comprehend, or even imagine the magnitude of this, and I myself find it difficult to grasp. We look at the current market capitalization of the entire world market, which is 2.32 PT 5 trillion. We're also examining how the global cryptocurrency market stacks up against the S&P 500, which has tens of trillions of dollars. How much do you anticipate investing in the cryptocurrency space? Look at what the digital asset games are doing, particularly once we start receiving something like liquidity from the stock market, as they say. Over there, they're making enormous sums of money. Wall Street declares, "I want a cut of that. Right now, I want a piece of pie." Additionally, a wave of cash from the stock market will arrive. However, the SEC's primary contention is that virtual currencies listed on trading platforms are essentially securities, which would present significant challenges for cryptocurrency exchanges, primarily in the form of fees, and isn't entirely accurate. But supporting their claim with a default decision. Many of us are arguing that it's unfair to avoid a full-blown legal clash, but they don't want to fight since they know they are in the wrong and have a poor track record. So it's not sitting well. At this moment in time, they have a very bad losing record. So much discussion has been spurred by the whole situation. To what extent should these authorities, such to the SEC, have authority over cryptocurrencies? And people are asking questions about these agencies, you know. Are they adhering to the fair rules of the game and participating in it? Not in my opinion. As we've heard from Brad Garlin-House, CEO of Ripple, numerous times, they merely attempt to show off their strength without truly exhibiting the true rules of the road. Thus, we have Ripple and the SEC battling it out, once more using dubious and even legal tactics. That's where the video stops. Kindly subscribe to and like my channel. Bye and see you soon.